Listen, students. Today, haloalkane and haloarene chapter landu methods of preparation of haloalkanes. In the topic landu some questions. I am going to explain these questions. These are all the questions from the previous year question, past paper question. I am going to explain one by one. This you see the first question. The first question is write the major product. Write the major product. You see major product here given CH2 single bond CH double bond CH3 CH3 plus HBr. The HBr is given. Listen, this is the unsymmetrical alkane. You know, this is the double bond. There's the right side the 3 carbon, left side 2 carbon. So it is the unsymmetrical alkane. So here HBr given. Here, so this reaction is a Markovnikov rule. First you predict the reaction, which type of the reaction. Now you see this is a double bond. This is the left side 2 carbon atom, right side 3 carbon atom. Then HBr given. In the arrow they are not giving anything. So this is the Markovnikov rule. So you know very well about the Markovnikov rule. When the bond break, this is a hydrogen and bromine. The hydrogen, it is moves to the carbon which has the more number of hydrogen. You see, now you see this is the double bond. This is a double bond. Here is the hydrogen, one hydrogen. Here is the no hydrogen. So compared to this carbon atom, here is a more number hydrogen. So here comes this hydrogen, this comes to the more number hydrogen contain the carbon. Then the bromine just moves to the low carbon, moves to the carbon which has the low number hydrogen. Now you see this a bromine, it is come to combine this the carbon atom which has the low number hydrogen. Now you write the product. Here not come the CH2, CH3, CH3. So here come CH3 single bond, then CH. This is a hydrogen atom. So CH2 single bond, then the carbon methyl group, then this is a bromine come and attach this carbon. So here come bromine, the next one CH3. The second one you see here given the peroxide. Peroxide is given. So peroxide if it is given means you think that there is the Anti Markovnikov rule. Listen, peroxide. If suppose they are given on the arrow, peroxide means this is the Anti Markovnikov rule. Now you think the hydrogen and bromine. Hydrogen and bromine when Anti Markovnikov rule, opposite of the Markovnikov rule. Here this hydrogen moves to the more number hydrogen present the carbon atom. Here hydrogen moves to the less number hydrogen present the carbon atom. According to this two carbon atom, here is a less number, here is the more number. Here is the only one hydrogen, here is a 2 hydrogen. So here this hydrogen it is moves to the less number hydrogen present the carbon atom. So this hydrogen comes this side, then the bromine it is moves to the more number hydrogen present the carbon atom. So here come the product. Here come the product. CH2, CH, the hydrogen, the less number hydrogen. So CH2, then here come CH2Br. Then the third one you see cyclohexanol plus thionyl chloride. Listen, first of all, I will explain one thing. The sulfonyl chloride. The sulfonyl chloride or thionyl chloride, PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. These are reagent or chlorinating agent. These are reagent or chlorinating agent. So directly you can understand this instead of this OH group, here the chlorine will come like a substitution reaction. Like a substitution reaction. This type of sulfonyl chloride PCl by PCl3, if it is come there any equation means you think that there is a chlorinating agent. So this chlorine here comes, this is a substitution reaction. So you can write easily this reacts the product. Listen. So instead of hydroxide, here comes the Cl. Cl plus, then here is a 2 chlorine. One of the chlorine react with the hydrogen to form the HCl. The remaining one oxygen is here, then SO, the sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is formed. The next one you see, here is the photochemical reaction which is using the UV light. Listen, due to the resonance effect, this compound, first it is the positive charge, it will be occur in the first carbon atom. The carbon atom which is attached to the benzene ring. Benzene ring attached பண்ணிருக்க கார்பன்ல தான் என்ன செய்யும்னா ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ் வந்து டெவலப் ஆகும். So இந்த கார்பன்ல தான் என்ன செய்யும்னா bromine group வந்து attached ஆகும். So this product is CHBr CH3NO2. Don't get confused. சரியா? கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகக்கூடாது. The first benzyl இல்ல first carbonல தான் என்ன செய்யும் bromine வந்து attached ஆகும். Clear? Listen students, now I am going to explain the second question. The second question you see, how will you convert the following? How will you convert the following? The first question, the propene to 1 iodopropene. Second question, 1 but 1 into 1 iodobutane. Third question, 1 iodobutane from 1 chlorobutane. Listen, first of all, this convert this following. This type of the question, first ready to write the reactant and product. While the teachers are correcting the paper, suppose they will give the off mark. If the reactant and product, if it is the reactant and product, it will be correct also. They will give some mark. Listen, so first understand, write the reactant and product. So here is given propene. Propene. Now you write the propane formula CH3. I am writing the propane formula CH3. This is the propane formula. Here is the ene. Ene means already I explained to you. Ene means that is the nothing but double bond. So here come the double bond. Either this carbon or this carbon, both is correct only. Now you write CH2 double bond CH2. Now we got the propene. Now we got the propene. Then the product is 1 iodopropane. 1 iodopropane. So CH2 iodine CH2 CH3. This is the product. Now you think that Markovnikov rule and the Anti Markovnikov rule. Listen, if you supposed to apply here, this is the Markovnikov rule. Think that supposed to add the Markovnikov rule means here come we are using the hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide we will use. Hydrogen iodide we will use. You will get the product is the when the hydrogen and iodine bond it will be break at that time. Already I explained the first question also. The hydrogen is moves to the more number hydrogen present the carbon atom. So here come CH3 single bond CH3. Listen, here the product is the 2 iodo. 2 iodo we will get, but the product is the 1 iodo. So you come to the conclusion, this is not belong the Markovnikov rule. This is not Markovnikov rule. Then it is the rule supposed to come the Anti Markovnikov rule. When you write the Anti Markovnikov rule, you cannot write hydrogen iodide directly. You supposed to add first hydrogen bromide. Supposed to add the hydrogen bromide peroxide. Supposed to add the hydrogen bromide. So you know that here is the bond, it will be break between the hydrogen and bromine. Hydrogen it is moves to the more number, sorry, hydrogen it is moves to the less number hydrogen contain the carbon atom. So here come the hydrogen, bromine it is moves to the carbon which has the high number of hydrogen. So we will get the product CH2Br, CH2Br, single bond CH2, CH3. Now this is not your product. Your product is iodine. Your product is iodine. So you write the product here as a reactant CH2Br plus CH2CH3. Now we add the exchange reaction, halogen exchange reaction. You have studied while you are studying the name reaction, nothing but Finkelstein reaction. Halogen exchange reaction. This is a preparation of iodine. That is the Finkelstein reaction. So Finkelstein reaction, the reagent you know that metal iodide, NaI, metal iodide, the acetone. Acetone here acts as a solvent. Acetone here acts as the solvent. Now this iodine, it is comes the place as the bromine. Instead of bromine, we will going to add the iodine. So the product CH2, here come iodine, then CH2, CH3, the remaining Na plus Br, the byproduct NaBr. This is the first one. The second one you see, but 1 ene to 1 iodobutane. But 1. First of all, you write the butane formula. Butane formula CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Butane formula. Here also they given 1 ene. 1 ene is supposed to come double bond. 1 ene. So here the first carbon atom has a double bond. So here come CH2 double bond CH. CH. The same like the previous method. I have not explained that much. Directly it moves to the Anti Markovnikov rule. So here come first hydrogen bromide, peroxide. According to the Anti Markovnikov rule, the hydrogen moves to the carbon which has the less number of hydrogen. The bromine which is moves to the carbon which has the high number of hydrogen. So here come CH2Br, then CH2, then CH3. Then the product I will write as a reactant. The second step CH2Br, CH3 plus NaI, sodium iodide. Then solvent you will add, acetone is act as a solvent. Now the exchange of the halogens. Instead of bromine, here come the iodine. So here CH2, CH3. This is nothing but the Finkelstein reaction. You keep your mind, you must study all the name reaction. Finkelstein reaction means the preparation of iodine. Clear? Then the third one you see, 1 iodobutane from 1 chlorobutane. This also very easy reaction. This also Finkelstein reaction. First 1 chlorobutane. First you write the butane formula CH3, CH2, CH3. Then the 1 chloro. So first carbon atom has a chlorine atom. 2. You know that this Finkelstein reaction we use to the sodium iodide, metal iodide plus acetone act as a solvent. The product is CH2, exchange the halogens. Instead of chlorine, here comes the iodine. CH2 CH2, CH2, CH3. CH2, CH3. Listen students, you must study all the name reaction. Sometimes they will never ask you directly the name reaction. Likewise, they will ask the question. So you ready to write the name reaction. So thoroughly you study the name reaction. Listen students, the third question, write the mechanism of the following reaction. Ethanol is converted to the bromoethane. இந்த ரியாக்ஷனுக்கு நம்ம இப்போ மெக்கானிசம் எழுதணும். இது வந்து ரெண்டு ஸ்டெப்பாக நடக்கும் பாருங்க. First of all, you write the first step. The CH3, C, hydrogen, then oxygen, hydrogen. I hope that you know very well about the valency of the oxygen. Valency of the oxygen is a 6. So one of the electron, it is bonded with the carbon. Another one of the electron, it is bonded with the hydrogen. Okay, this is a mutual sharing of the electron. That okay. Then the remaining here is the 2 lone pair electrons are there. Here is the 2 lone pair of the electron there. First the hydrogen bromine, when it is the HBr, it is the ionized H plus and Br minus. Now you see, this is the H plus ions. So the H plus ion, it will be attracted by the oxygen contain the lone pair electron. இப்போ ஆக்சிஜன் ஒரு லோன் பேர் எலக்ட்ரான் இருக்குது. இந்த லோன் பேர் எலக்ட்ரான் இந்த ஹைட்ரஜனை அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு பாண்ட் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும். ஸோ திஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் உனக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்னா, product it will be formed, the product is formed CH3, C, H2, O, hydrogen, the lone pair of the electron. இப்போ இதுல இந்த ரெண்டு எலக்ட்ரான், இந்த லோன் பேர் எலக்ட்ரான் தான் இந்த ஹைட்ரஜனோட கம்பைன் ஆயிருக்குது. ஸோ ஹியர் கம் ஹைட்ரஜன். அதாவது லோன் பேர் இட் இஸ் பிகம் த பாண்ட் பேர். லோன் பேர் வந்து பாண்ட் பேர் மாதிரி இருக்குது. இப்போ ஆக்சிஜனை பார்த்தேன்னா இட் வில் பிகம் த பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ். ஏன்னா இது வந்து ரெண்டு எலக்ட்ரானை லாஸ் பண்ணி இருக்குது. ரெண்டு எலக்ட்ரானை லாஸ் பண்ணி ஹைட்ரஜனுக்கு கொடுத்து தான் பாண்ட் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி இருக்குது. Then the second step you see, second step CH3, C, hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, charge, positive charge, hydrogen, lone pair of the electron. Now you see the rest of the bromine, this electrophile come and attack to this group. The group on the என்ன செய்யுதுன்னா bromine வந்து செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப்ல வந்து அப்ரோச் பண்ணும்போது this is the electronegative group. அப்ப இங்க பார்த்தேன்னா எலக்ட்ரோ பாசிட்டிவா இருக்குது. அப்ப இந்த ஒரு குரூப் இப்ப எப்படி இருக்குதுன்னா ஒரு எலக்ட்ரோஃபைலா இருக்குது, அதாவது எலக்ட்ரான் டிஃபிஷியன்ட் குரூப்பா இருக்குது. அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்னா இந்த ஹைட்ரஜன் ரெண்டு இந்த ஆக்சிஜன் இந்த மூணு சேர்ந்து வாட்டர் மாலிகூல்ஸா என்ன செய்யறோம்னா வெளியே போயிடும். வாட்டர் மாலிகூல்ஸா வெளியே போயிடும். Then next CH3, CH2, Br கிடைக்கும். இதான் வந்து மெக்கானிசம். இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரியாக்ஷன், the write the mechanism of the following reaction. Methanol to bromoethane. அவருடைய மெக்கானிசம் two ஸ்டெப்பா நடக்கும். 2 step process. Listen students, then question number 4, give reason thionyl chloride method is preferred for preparing alkyl chloride from alcohol. Our thionyl chloride method is preferred preparing the alkyl chloride from alcohol. இது ரீசன் என்னன்னு பார்த்துக்கோ. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து எப்படி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்றோம்னு பார்ப்போம். ROH, this is the alcohol, from alcohol. I have taken this one general alcohol, then thionyl chloride formula SOCl2. Already the previous question I explained that the sulfonyl chloride is a chlorinating agent. The chlorinating agent. So this is a product here come RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Here you see SO2 and HCl is a gas. So during the reaction, once form the sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid, it will be escapable. Escapable na அந்த ப்ராடக்ட் வர்ற கண்டெய்னர்ல வந்து என்ன செய்யணும்னா சல்ஃபர் டை ஆக்சைடும் HCl வந்து கலெக்ட் ஆகாது. அப்போ அல்கைல் ஹாலைடுடைய பியூரிட்டி, the percentage of the purity it will be high. ஏன்னா அந்த பை ப்ராடக்ட் எதுவுமே என்ன செய்யாது, அந்த கண்டெய்னர்ல வந்து சேவ் ஆகாது, ஸ்டோர் ஆகாது. ரெண்டுமே கேஸ் ஆனதுனால which will be escapable, ரெண்டுமே வந்து எஸ்கேப் ஆயிரும். So this is by this method we will get the high purity alkyl halide, high purity alkyl halide, so that we have to we are preferred the thionyl chloride method. Then the next question you see, the species that attack benzene in the following is benzene, it is react with the chlorine with the presence of the catalyst aluminum trichloride, then the chlorobenzene. Actually here is the four option is given B and C and D. Now you see the Cl minus, AlCl4, AlCl3, then option Cl plus. Actually you understand this reaction is an electrophile reaction. This reaction is an electrophile reaction. So this is an electrophile reaction. You know that this is an electron deficient group. Electron deficient group. So here the electron deficient group chlorine is this one. This one Cl plus. So the option D is a correct answer. Then the next class I will bring some question from the physical properties. அந்த haloalkane and haloarene chapterல இருந்து physical properties ல இருந்து past paper question 5 or 6 question choose பண்ணி next classல I am going to explain it. Thank you students. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.